it's finally here. I ordered my Demonia shoes and they're finally here. I was so fucking ecstatic and excited until this day. So I'm not feeling completely in condition to make this unboxing video, but I can't wait a single hour to try them and see them. That's it. That's the receipt. So it's the Demonia Charade 110 red version. And that's my beautiful, beautiful box. It's finally coming. Let's open up. Super excited. Oh. They're separated first. Oh, my precious. Well, gotta say they look absolutely gorgeous. They're actually quite heavy. And they're big. Hello there. I'm not done hugging them, but I will continue after I'm done with the video. Basically, I promised a review after I take them for a ride outside, and gotta say, I really cannot walk on high heels, but those high heels are very, very well made. First of all, they're not as tall as you would expect them to be. And on the picture, practically the platform is most of it, so it's up till here. Also, they're super soft inside and extremely well made for comfort of your foot. So this is the high heels that I've lasted longest, and the highest heels that I've lasted longest as well. Well, the only discomfort I had when I was wearing them was that those beautiful laces were constantly untying. But yeah, if you walk too low on them, you for sure get the feeling that you're on high heels and that they're not comfortable, in the sense that the first part of your feet is screaming out in pain, and at some point you start walking like a duck. That's usually my experience with high heels. But they're super stylish, super soft and badass at the same time. They're comfortable for walking, but big flat terrain.
If you would like to climb some steeper place, I would like to see that. You can record that and send it to me. Please do that.
And they overall look gorgeous. But must say, 36 is okay. I'm usually wearing size 35, and I was really afraid that they will be too big for me. But since they're all the way up, it's perfect. I cannot lose them while I'm walking.